Now we are in the small brief training for the completely generator, how to maintain, how to troubleshoot and how to maintain for long term. Okay. There are manuals are there are documents which will be given to you by your respective authority, maybe on the stipulated time. But I will first of all start with what are the general terms and general viewing for any generator or any generator, how to see that. In general, I will tell you first. In general, what is happening, which nobody will train you in the training nowadays, which is happening, basic problem, the diesel quality. Diesel, when they are injecting in the system from outside truck, they don't have the filter or anything, my friend. Nowadays, generator you will maintain because oil you are going to purchase, filter you are going to purchase, but diesel is coming from outside.
Yes.
So always make sure from now onwards, diesel quality nowadays are very bad, pathetic. We are facing the same problem two places in the ACC. Generator is stopping down because kachra is there. And we don't know, and then once we open the gauge, then we come to know. So first of all, check the diesel when he is putting, does he have the filter or not? The nozzle, when he is dispatching from that, does he have the filter or not, proper putting in the diesel in the tank. That is it. Every 250 hours we are replacing the oil and filter. Every 250 hours at first time. When we are starting the generator, first time 250 hours you have to replace the fuel filter, air filter and oil filter. These three. Yeah. Ask.
Can you point out which are the filters?
Yeah, these are the filters. This is one of the filter.
Which one? What is name?
This is the fuel filter.
Fuel filter.
And there is a oil filter. Sorry, this is the fuel filter. This is the oil filter. The fuel filter and oil filter has to be replaced on first time 250 hours. Whether you run generator or not run generator. First 250. Now you cannot wait for 250 hours to run the generator for next 1 year. Even though if you will not finish the 250 hours, within 6 months you have to replace for first time.
First time. Okay.
The same, there is a oil level is there. Oil is there in this part of the generator, that which you have to drain from. There is a plug. You can drain and take it out in the 250 hours first. So this is actually oil filter, fuel filter, and oil that you have to replace in the first 250 hours, and then after periodically 350 hours or 400 hours, depend on oil and filter quality. Same time, on the 250 hours, you have to check the coolant level inside the radiator. There is a radiator coolant level. You have to replace the water and you have to replace the coolant first 50 hours. Then after every 350 hours, you have to replace the same coolant, oil and filters. Okay, this is basic. Now when we are coming for any, let us take this is in general. Now when we are coming for starting any generator, okay, then starting the generator first. सबसे पहला काम ये करने का और first work which you have to do, you have to see the harness is properly, some wire is not missing or some void or some contacts or some fuses are not, means dismantled. That is only, it's a checking, inspection only as per our checklist. Second thing, there. This is for what?
This is the generator works on the power failure or not?
Actually not. Actually not, because ATS connection they had to do.
Yeah. Okay.
No problem.
We finish the training.
Yeah.
While
So this is now second thing, whenever you are coming, this is the, as I told you, whenever for the, because generator is not running regularly. This is called a deep stick. Deep stick showing the oil level. Okay. There is a level of oils. Now, can give. There is a lakeer. Okay, you can. Yeah. This is the full level. The oil should not be less than this. Oil should be always above this. Okay. Sometime what is happening after 1 year, if you are not generating the, you have not started the generator, आप देखोगे वो oil भी full बताएगा लेकिन अंदर बहुत काला रहेगा. So you have to check the oil level. मतलब
oil quality also.
Yeah. So it is 100% clean because it is not run. Why I am saying you this, because many times generator not run or there is a lot of dust and mist is coming, nobody maintain, and this is open and dust goes inside. When you will check, maybe you will see oil is okay, but actually oil is not okay. You have to see the dust and all. Okay, this is the oil level.
So oil filter cannot filter this dust and all. This oil filter.
It is 100% filter. Actually, but many times why I am saying now let us take. No, Baba, I should not start because oil is not. In any way, it will show you in the display. Sometimes if malfunction, so manually checking is always better.
Okay.
First you check, तो ये कैसा हो गया गाड़ी में? Your गाड़ी is showing that fuel is there, but sometimes what if that is malfunction? How will come to know? Because you have already run 400 hours, so you have in mind, Baba, I run more, but fuel level is showing 100% full. There is some problem. So sometimes you have to see the fuel level if it is running continuously. Not running continuously, not 240 hours.